What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in the last video you guys saw that we installed the hood on the Lexus. It's a carbon fiber save on. Very nice, very nice. Next we are going to tackle the carbon fiber fenders because I gotta clear some room, so those are gonna come off and get sold. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. As I'm looking, I'm taking note of everything that's gonna need to come off. Yeah, so we'll probably do this side first, just because there's more room, and then I'll let you guys know how it looks when it's done. But should be very straightforward. Dang, a lot of this stuff is gonna rattle when I'm on the road. Hopefully it doesn't like fall off or anything. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, and then after I get my bumper, we're gonna go ahead and wash it, ceramic coat the whole thing, and then that part of the process will be done. Do some more modifications, small things here and there, and then yeah, we're getting one small step closer to bringing her to the track and making her a drift car. So alright guys, well, I'll see you guys in a bit. I gotta go to work first, and then the gym, and then yeah, I'll be back after in the evening. So alright, see you guys later. Peace. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are here again with another edition of the Empty Garage Midnight Edition, because we are back from work in the gym, and so tonight we are going to be working on the Lexus is250. As you guys know, it is a 2006 manual 6-speed rear-wheel drive, and we are trying to make it a track car. So yeah, come along with us. If you're new here, welcome. Feel free to subscribe if you like the content, comment, and share. So right now we are going to be installing the carbon fiber fenders. So I'm going to tackle this side first, and then once everything's done, I'll show you how it looks, and then when I get to the other side, I'll show you guys how it looks at the end when the install is complete and it's outside and everything else is buttoned up. So alright, let me go ahead and grab some food first, and then I'll get back to it, and then I'll show you guys what you guys need to do. Yeah, alright, for sure, pop the hood, take off the bumper. The bumper is literally like a handful of screws. It's one in this corner right here, and then on the opposite side, and then on top, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So anyways, alright, let me go get some food, or see if there's food, and I'll be right back. Alright, see you guys in a sec. Alright guys, well, we're back. No food, but it's cool. Anyways, let's get back to it. So first things first, pop in the hood. Yeah, so I assume we gotta remove this weather stripping. I don't see any bolts that are holding it in, so I'm just gonna try to pry it gently with my hands and see what we got underneath. But give me a second, I'm gonna do this with one hand. Nice. I was gonna do it with one. I was gonna do it off screen because I have one hand, but that's fine. It just popped right off. Alright, and as we can see, this is giving me so much trouble. It's literally a piece of plastic. That's holding on to. Oh, and there it goes. And that's broken. Alright, don't be an idiot like me. Alright, let's see. We got 1, 2, maybe 3. Let me see. A bracket that's holding it. 3, 4, and then I know there's one back here, and there's probably some in here, and then down there. So I'm gonna get to the top ones first, and then as I go, I'll update you guys what I find. All right, give me a sec. See you guys in a second. Okay, so we're back, and as you can see, the fender is off. So really quick, I'm gonna let you guys know how many bolts it was. So under your rocker panel down there, it's 2. There is a bolt right here that you have to get to, and then a safety plastic bolt right here, and a safety plastic underneath. You can just pop off with a little pry tool like this, and then afterwards you just wiggle this and it'll pop. Yeah, and then afterwards there's 2 bolts down there that hold the fender. So the fender's as follows. It's 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3, and then I think 3 up top. Let me see. I don't want to drop this shit. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 bolts. And basically, if you follow the fender around clockwise, you'll get your bolts. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward install. There is a couple of safety clips that hold everything in place, so just be prepared to wiggle and crack stuff off. Okay, interesting, very interesting. Yeah, so yeah, 10 bolts, not too hard, wiggle them off. And with that being said, let me go ahead and grab this other fender with my fucking dusty hands. Okay, so in the door seal, you're gonna have to give it a little wiggle so that way you can get more space, because the back screw is a little tricky. Alright, I'm gonna put my fucking camera down because it's so hard to do this with one hand. Give me a second. Alright guys, so the fender is mocked up. It is not completely on. I will bolt it in a bit. I just gotta see how to lay the covers that go underneath this shit, under this, and then also the weather stripping that goes back in here. And then I have to take off a bracket off of the stock fender that belongs here, but we're almost done. After this, I'm going to try to tackle the other side. It's a very tight fit over there, but if not, I will finish it, and the next part of the video will be once everything is back on together, so that way you guys can get a full look what it looks like when it's complete. But for now, I'll go ahead and show you. Hold on, let me move this shit out of the way. Let me show you what it looks like with the carbon fiber hood as well. Okay, there it is. That is fucking disgusting. Like, actually, that is grotesque, like on some other shit. I can't wait to get the front bumper on, and like I said, we're going for a different look, so I'm really excited to show you what I'm going to do next with this. Yeah, so anyways, I'm going to button everything up on this side. I'm going to see if I can't tackle that side. If not, I'll save it for another day, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So yeah, all right guys, well, see you guys on the next clip, and which will most likely be when the car is outside and it's done. So all right, see you guys then. All right guys, so we're back, and that's what the front end looks like now. So we put the fenders on and we put the bumper back in. This is the look that I wanted to go for, with a half and half, right? Dark front end and then just clean split. Now the only thing to really pull it back together would be the side rocker panel. I just need to bring that little part right there to match the front, so I'm gonna wrap that shit so that way it's just like a clean swoop. And then the next thing I gotta add on to would be the black side mirrors as well, the updated ones. And yeah, that'll be the front end look. We still gotta lower it, obviously, because it got monster truck height. But we still got to put it in the diff and roll the fender, so we're getting there. This is the daily as well, so I have to, you know, keep it somewhat functional for now. But yeah, so that's the look. That's what it looks like in the front. I will say I am surprised though. Damn, that actually looks fucking crazy. In the camera it looks crazy, and in person it's alright. I will say that the carbon fiber from the hood is a little bit lighter than the ones from the fenders. So yeah, we'll see. Like I said, we might end up putting like another like light gloss black coat on it to make it more uniform. It looks cool on camera, it looks cool at night, but just in broad daylight you can see the different colors. And like I said, for me, I like when things are more uniform. But yeah, so pretty simple install. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts for the fenders. You do have to have space to open up your door to get the bolts behind the panels and stuff, but other than that, pretty straightforward, easy install. I'm gonna say difficulty level probably like a 3 out of 10. Yeah, so, but yeah, that's the look. I also gotta plug in those vents or create some type of template, so that way when it rains it doesn't get on any of the interior stuff. But yeah, that's what she looks like right now. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please, you know, shoot us a subscribe, and then follow us on the Instagram. That's at the MT Garage. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace.